Hello, this is Jim Wilson from BMC Server Automation Support. Today we're going to look at the option to generate support data. The Generate Support Data tool is intended for use by the BSA administrator. It generates data about the application servers and other components in the BMC Server Automation environment and packages that data into a zip file. It is executed centrally from the BSA console and simplifies and centralizes the collection of the data from multiple BSA components and servers. It is used primarily when collecting data to provide to BMC customer support, as this data can be useful for diagnostic purposes. You access the tool from the BMC Server Automation console by selecting Configuration and then Generate Support Data. Note: to use the support data generation tool, your role must be granted the bl_administration.read authorization. Also, the location where the generated zip files will be written will need sufficient space to store the file. In the Generate Support Data dialog box, do one of the following to select the application servers from which you want to collect data. You can accept the default selection, which is the application server to which you're currently connected, or click the Browse button, the three dots, and select one or more application servers from the Select Application Servers dialog box. To select multiple application servers, use Shift-click for extended selection, or Control-click for multiple selections. Click OK to return to the main window. Now select the data that you want to include in the zip file. You can select all, or you can click the individual data types that you want to be included. Let's review the different types of data that you can choose. The currently active application server log. You can also include application server logs that have been rolled over. A rolled over log is one that is generated after a preset size is reached for the currently active log. By default, there will be a maximum of 5 rolled over logs, each holding 20 megabytes of log messages. The currently active console log. You can also include console logs that are rolled over. The console log file contains the same information as the application server log file, but in addition it also captures any output that does not go through the log4j logging system. For example, information such as the Java thread dump and any messages generated by third-party code used by the application server that logs messages to standard out or standard error. The entire deployment directory for the specified application servers. These files describe the application server configuration that is not stored in the BSA database. A file containing detailed status information for the application server. This information is the same as that generated by the Export Detail Report operation in the Infrastructure Management window. The current contents of the system property table in the database to which the application server is connected. The log from one or more agents. Click Agent Log and use the Browse button, the three dots, to select a server, a group of servers, or a smart group of servers. You can also include agent logs that are rolled over. The current security files from one or more agents. Click Agent Security Files and use the Browse button, three dots, to select a server, group of servers, or a smart group of servers. Security files included are secure, exports, users, users.local, home. Security files from the application server. At a minimum, the secure file itself is included. If an agent resides on the application server, all security files are included. All transaction logs for target servers that fail to execute the specified deploy job run. Click Deploy Job Logs and use the Browse button, three dots, to select one or more jobs. Information about the Pixie servers and the services it runs. This information is the same as that reported in the Infrastructure Management window. A file of information about network configuration and status. This is created by executing ifconfig or ipconfig and netstat commands for each application server selected. Debug logs written to the temp folder of the application server that executed a job which had the job property debug mode enabled set to true. Once you have completed your selection, click Generate Data. Note that the selection here has been shortened for demonstration purposes. Specify a path to where you want to store the zip file and give it an object name. Now click Save. The data will be transferred from the application servers and target servers. For each application server you select, BMC Server Automation generates data and creates a zip file. If you selected multiple application servers, the zip file for each is named based on the object name you specified, plus the application server name. Once all the data has been transferred and the zip file is created, a confirmation dialog will appear on the screen. Click OK. Inside the zip file, you will find all the generated data along with a file called support_manifest.txt, which documents the date and time that the data was generated, which application server it used, and which types of data the zip contains. In summary, the support data generation tool provides a simple, centralized method for collecting a lot of the data required for troubleshooting BSA issues with customer support. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it useful.